Hello everyone, I want to introduce you to a website called Code Combat. In Code Combat, you can choose a variety of programming languages to learn at your own pace, but what they do on this website is introduce a teaching style called gamification. So as you see here, there's all these little levels on a mini-map, similar to a game if you play a game on your smartphone, such as Candy Crush, or a role-playing game where you have to do individual levels to get to a certain endpoint. So let's just take a look here at what that looks like. I'll click on this first one here. I'm going to hit play.
For the win!
And you get a little character, as I said. It's gamification. If this isn't your cup of tea, that's okay. You can continue without making too many selections about it. But what I really like is it gives you a goal. So you start the level.
For the win!
And grab the treasure.
So grab the treasure is the goal.
You can use these methods.
And you can use these methods up here.
Type your
some of them are
code
not
on the
appropriate
right.
for the scenario. So you'll type your code over here and it will immediately tell you, well, you'll hit the run button and then the code will run, moving your character, and then you'll identify pretty quickly whether you did it correctly. So, for example, let's take a look here. We've got our hero, and
Oops,
we're gonna
don't delete the loop. Reload the original code.
And we're going to do move to the right, because we need to move over to this circle here. So we'll hit the run button, and it worked. Great. So now what we want to do is hero.move down, and you can click the user interface. And then what we'll do, instead of just doing one by one, we'll do move right, because we'll go down and then to the right. Hit the run button. And now we got the treasure. So success.
What
Now,
a king!
While, yes, this is about a game and gamification, would you use this in a data analytics project? Would you use this in a deep learning model or a neural network? Absolutely not.
Modesty.
However, what it's doing is introducing you to concepts called methods or functions within Python, which is a critical element that we want to teach you on an introductory level throughout your program. So you can also choose different programming languages. Since this level already started up, I can't change it, but I can now get some more gamification points, and I can hit continue. Now, because I already did a few levels here, quite a few actually, it wants me to go here to this enemy mine.
For the win!
So now, it's going to introduce basic syntax again. So I got some of these arguments here that I've used before. But now it's even more challenging. It's more of a thought process. And quite frankly, that is the challenge of programming, folks. You won't know if your program is going to run successfully until you set up several lines of code, perhaps. And I share this with you because it's one of those missing components. Like if we were in a program where it was face-to-face in a computer lab, the instructor was there, and 15 other students were there, yeah, you could get instant help, right? But we live in an online environment, a synchronous environment, where maybe a website like this can help you get confidence in your coding, okay? So please consider it as a guide to help you succeed.